Hey y'all, it's Mary and it's time for Heaven Panty. So Heaven Panty is a monthly subscription and you can get one pair, you can get two pair depending on what you like to get. And when you go in for the first time, you give them information about yourself and you can change it up whenever you want. They just ask you a few questions. And like I said, you can change it up if there's different reasons why you'd like to. And it starts off, depends on how long of a program you go for, but it starts off at about $10 a month. And that is a $45 value. It includes the panty, which is at least $15. It includes a stylist fee and your shipping. So it's very inexpensive. And you get that money back as a credit to spend in the shop. So this is what it looks like. No one will ever have to know what you're getting in the mail. So I did cut it open so we can get started. And this is what it looks like. So you get a sneak peek at what's in there. I can see some polka dots. And this is a very nice bag. You can reuse this bag. It has a Ziploc on the top. Open it up. And let's see what we have. Oh, these are cute. These look very much like something I got when I chose a couple of pair recently. I chose a couple of pair and so they listen to you, like what you like. So this is what they sent me. It comes on a card. So let me take it off the card. You can see it better. It's so pretty. Just a little, these are a little more fun pair than usual. A little more fun pair. They're more, they're like a boy short, I think. What do you think? Sort of like a boy short. Look how cute. This is nice. This will stay on you. This is, this material will cling to your skin, I do believe. It's not gonna slide around. It's got a cute little button with bows on it, just like the pattern. And then the little flouncy kind of leg opening. And that is that same material. It's very nice. And if you can see, there's cotton where you need it. And this is a full coverage style. And they just are so cute. These aren't so much a sexy pair, they're a cute pair. Super cute. And the color is a like an army green, an olive green with the white polka dots and the beige trim. Super cute. I really like these. I got these recently in a pink, like a salmony color pair, and they're very, very comfortable and super, super cute. And like I said, this is gonna stay on. It fits well. It has a wonderful stretch to it. So it'd be very comfortable for movement, sitting down, walking, driving, whatever you do, very comfortable. So that is my Heaven Panties for this month. And thank you for stopping by to see them. And I hope you all have a great weekend and count your blessings. Bye-bye.